Hello guys, I'm here in my garden. I'm cleaning up all the dried trees. So I will burn it and make it an ashes. I keep the ashes for the fertilizer for my plants. And this is my uh, nice flower, white flower. Ayan, it takes me a long time to cut all these branches. It's very it's very hard already because it's dried up. Ayan. Bilis-bilisan mo, Day. Mainit na. It's very hard. Unlike if it is still young, it's very easy to cut. Keep all these things. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.